In the past, we have used the military healthcare database to help determine which patients would most benefit from statin treatment to help reduce their chance of a future heart attack. Our protocol offers a roadmap to any medical provider who is interested in using big data to answer their own clinical questions and can be applied to a far-ranging and nearly limitless number of topics.
After obtaining approval from the Institutional Review Board, complete a data sharing agreement application taking care to specify the data fields and files being requested on the DRT MDR extractions worksheet. Specify whether the team is requesting a data analyst's supply of the raw data or if the team will access the MDR directly, and whether the request is for a one-time data pull or if regular pulls are requested daily, monthly, or yearly. To access the MDR directly, complete the MDR authorization request in the MDR CS 2875 forms. When accessing the MDR directly, follow the instructions for accessing and using the MDR, including the software requirements and example SaaS programs that are available in the MDR User's Guide and MDR Functional Guide. To obtain additional MDR beneficiary data for your cohort, acquire the VM6 files from the server and merge with your cohort file. Use different variable names in the VM6 data draw and cohort files for patient names and birth dates to help with subsequent checking for errors following the merge. As database entries are never completely free of error, use the code to perform error checks after each major step in addition to checking the program log and